What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back, Mr. By the Mile. So I just stopped at Walmart. I'm gonna show you what I bought. This you can buy for yourself. It's cheap. It'll last you a couple days, a few days, and here we go. Show you what I bought here. All right, so first, I got some clothes. I bought these sweats here, all right, for going to sleep at night or going in and out of them truck stops, you know, be nice and warm. I like the faded color on them. They were 15 bucks for these. A little too pricey for me, but screw it, you know. I bought these Dickies warm and extreme cold weather socks, just a couple pairs to add to the arsenal that I already have. But hey, you can never have too much warm stuff, especially in the wintertime. I bought myself a couple of these shirts here by George. I like these things, man. You know, pretty cool. I put the receipt in the bag. I'll let you know how much everything was after. I spent a total of $92. But you guys got to get yourself this card here. You get points back. It's a credit card. I don't know if you have this by Capital One, but it is a Capital One Walmart rewards card. Right now I've got something like 339 points, and once you get up to like 600 or even 900 points, you get something like 30 bucks off, something like that. So it's a big help. It definitely assists you in saving money. I got this one here, right? A blue one and a gray one. So there's the sweats, the socks, the couple of shirts. Come on, man. Hey, I don't know what your opinion is, man, but this is the best rapper alive, son. If you agree, hit the like button. Eminem, you know, he's dope, dude. Him and Ice Cube, I can't make a decision, man. I really can't. But hey, Ice Cube was sober most of the time. Just saying. I bought 3 boxes of Mexican rice. You know, all I gotta do, put a little water, heat it up. 3 of those. I got the tortillas for them. That's a few days right there. Chicken fajita chicken. Put that in the fridge. Couple of tomatoes to throw in there, and the bell peppers I'm just gonna get from a Subway, dude. That's it. If I buy a sandwich for lunch, I'll ask them, hey, let me get some extra bell peppers, you know, save them for dinner that evening. Got a little bacon, right, for breakfast. Beans for the tacos. Gotta have the beans, man. I got 3 cans. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you everything laid out here right now. Gotta have my gummy bears, dude. Sour Patch watermelon. Don't like the kids, they're too small. Taco fire sauce, Taco Bell for my tacos. Know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. I'm gonna try this, man. I'm not really big on energy drinks, but you know, since I'm more active, you know, like actually moving, and I feel lazy, you know, just to jumpstart me, give me a kick in the ass. This to go with the hot dogs that I bought. I bought hot links. And this to fill as a filler during the day. You know what I'm saying? American style pasta salad with chicken. I got 2 of them. They're only like $1 each, man. Let me tell you how much everything was, right? A total of $92.76. So The men's thermal, 2 of them, right? $9.98 each. The t-shirt was $7.88. The socks were $8 for two pairs. The men's pant, the sweats, $14.88. That was really the most expensive thing on this list. Everything else that I bought, each thing was way under $14, way under. The refried beans, that was $1.37 each. Chicken fajita, $5.92. The taco sauce, $1.34. The gummy bears, $1. Beef Tom 2-pack. Beef Tom 2-pack. What is that? Beef. It's for the tomatoes. Yeah, it's the tomatoes. $2.48. The mocha bang, $2.98. The sweet relish, $2.82. The rice mixes, right? $1.68 each. Flour tortillas, $1.58. And the pasta salad, $2.98 each. That's it. And then here's everything laid out, right? Pasta salads, beans, rice, tomatoes, tortillas, bacon, fire taco sauce, my candy, little bag of chicken, right? A t-shirt, 2 long sleeves, and sweats, relish, and a bang. Know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Now let's look in the fridge at what I've already got. Well, first, look at that, man. So I got my campfire canteen cook set. This is part of my survival items. I got a video on that. I will leave a link in the description box below so that you guys can check out some of my survival videos as far as building the proper way to build a survival kit. So that link will be in the description box below. But you know, I got a couple of soups in here, guys. You know, I got some honey. I have some canned soups. I got vitamins. Back there, I got oatmeal. Down here, I have trash bags and little propane. Some propane in there for cooking, you know, for my grill. Here's my fridge, okay? There's my refrigerator. You can see right there, I got some more mustard, some mayo, some ketchup, some jelly. I got butter, a Gatorade. I drank the other Gatorade the other day. I got eggs. The last of the bacon, right? There's like 3 more strips in there, so I got to cook those and eat that. I got orange juice. Dude, this is the best right here. Florida's natural, son. Oh, good stuff, bro. And then, you know, my water. So what I bought is definitely going to fit. You know, the bacon, the tomatoes is really all that's going to go in there. And the salads. So the 2 little pasta salads. So I'll go ahead and drop those in. Real easy, you know. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So, yeah, man. I mean, as long as you're smart out here, you know, you can save some money. You can save some money. Like I said, that Walmart Rewards credit card by Capital One, that's going to save you some money. It's pretty easy to climb up, you know. We're making the money, right, guys? We go in there, we spend $90, $100, and if you buy in Oregon or any of those sales tax-free states, you're saving a little more money too. Why not, dude? Save your shopping for those tax-free states, sales tax-free states. So that helps, man. So I got a couple of warm clothes, you know, some food. This should feed me for like the next, I don't know, few days. Simple, man. I spent $90. I have things to wear and things to eat. So that's at least the next week. I'll be good with that. You know, I've got the eggs already. You know, I've got all my soups. Shit, I'm good to go. If I want to eat out, I'll eat out. Simple as that. You know what I'm saying? As usual, not going to make the video long. Again, if you're interested in those videos on how to build a survival kit, the link is in the description box below for a couple of those videos. I'll put those down there. You'll see definitely, you know, how I built this bag here. Turn on the light. You know, there's my medical kit, the tourniquet, of course. There's a couple tourniquets in here, but, you know, if anything happens and I gotta abandon the truck for whatever reason, because, you know, all the people are going crazy for whatever reason, you know, I take that and go. But obviously I'll ride this thing till the wheels fall off, son. Anyways, Mr. By the Mile, thank you guys for coming back. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notifications on all of my future videos. If you dislike this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button twice, my man. You guys take care, stay safe, see y'all on the road.